What's going on? It's Roger. Gonna change out my diff fluid from the 95 Previa supercharged. Here's the rear diff itself from the back of the van. This is 24 millimeter or a 15/16. This is the fill. This is the drain. So I actually got Lucas 80 weight 90 gear oil and 15/16 6-point and this 1/2-inch breaker bar because it was recommended, and I know why now. It is actually tough to break that, so let me get at it. Alright, just broke these loose. They say to use the 6-point instead of these, 12-point or the multiple point ones, because they just strip these, and these are not that well. Again, I'm just gonna let that drain in there for a little bit and then refill. So here are the drain and the fill plugs. This one has a magnet, and before I put them back in, I'm actually gonna use some plumber's tape and put them in like that, and then clean that up. All right, so do this. I don't know if you want to watch this whole thing, but I'm just finishing it up, and I'm going to upload this to YouTube.